Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new fashion deals. There's so many markdowns and really good buys. So if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. These blazers from Free Assembly has the smaller collar, lapel, button, relaxed fit, completely lined on the inside. This nice and relaxed. The material is so nice on this. Really good seam detailing in the back. Regularly $39, and these are down to $13.49. Also marked down are these dresses that match back to the blazer. So it has that squared neckline, zip front, 2 flat pockets, belt. Material is so nice on this one too. And then the same fit through the back. Regularly $30, they're down to $10.50. Also majorly marked down is this dress from Free Assembly. So it has the high neckline, sleeveless, shift style, same fit through the back. And then these are regularly $32. They are marked down to $11.20. Quilted puff dress from Free Assembly, also marked down online. Has that side seam detail, oversized puff sleeve, drawstring at the waist, midi length. How cute is this going to be for Thanksgiving? And then the same fit through the back. You're going to be comfortable, like but super dressed up. And you can eat as much as you want because you got the belt. So these are regularly $34. And they are marked down to $16.30. Houndstooth skirts also marked down. So these have the belt, fit, flare out. The material is really nice, not too short. And then you do have that zipper in the back. These are down to $8.75. These jeans are majorly marked down online. So they're high rise. They have that drawstring in the waist button, pockets, completely solid dark wash, and then the same fit through the back. They're regularly $26, down to $8.75. Dresses are marked down at $21 in store, but they're even more marked down online. They have that V neckline, the flutter sleeve, zip front, fit and flare to midi length. It's a really nice poplin material, seam fit through the back, and they are down to $11.87. Tie sleeve tops from Free Assembly, also marked down majorly online. They have that boat neckline, this really pretty little detail through the sleeve. It's a relaxed fit, and then the same through the back. My store has a markdown to $15. They're regularly $24, but online they are going to be, so here, $10.08. They also come in this green color. The fold over leggings are marked down in certain colors and sizes. So these are pretty new. They fold over, fit, perfect amount of flare. They're very stretchy. That's what the material looks like up close. They have brown and gray in store. These are regularly $9.98, and they are going to be down to $6.29. Now I love this dress from No Boundaries. I have it. I wear it all the time. It has the thin strap, V neckline, really pretty bow detail. It's a super stretchy, comfortable material, squared in the back. So it comes in this color, and then also the rust. Another good one with like a beige cardigan for Thanksgiving with boots. Really cute. These are regularly $14. They're now marked down to $6.68. Lace trim tanks from No Boundaries, also marked down online only. In store they're $11.89. So they have the thin strap, that lace trim. It's a nice stretchy material. Really cute with your black pants and a blazer. In the gray and black, also that burgundy and black. And these are marked down to $6.55. Actually, wearing this set, it's majorly marked down. So this is the black mesh tank and then skirt. And that's the other option. Has the thin straps. So stretchy. It's so comfortable. Pull on. Midi length in this leopard. This is the one that I'm wearing today. These were regularly $15, and they're now marked down to $8 and change. So really, really good price. The skirt's true to size, very comfortable. It's a really nice longer length. And then the tank, you can layer it up under your cardigans, under your blazers. And then this set is also marked down. So it has the thin scarf, V neckline, tank, midi length skirt, fitted, super stretchy. In that black floral, also comes in this burgundy floral. And this set is down to $9.39, regularly $19.98. So 50% off, you really can't beat it. Star Tee from No Boundaries are on sale. They have that high neckline, it's fitted through the wrists, good length, it's a nice kind of knit look material. In the blue with the gold star, also the burgundy with the stripe. And these are down to $5.49. I think regularly they were $10. Some of the colors in these flare jeans are under $9. So they have a button zip. They're high rise fit and flare. It's a perfect amount of flare. I have these in the light wash. They also have that stripe. Regularly $14 and change. Now they're $8 and change. You really can't beat it. I think I sized up one. They're really comfortable. I've been wearing them a lot. Also marked down in certain colors and sizes are the denim mini skirts. So these are from No Boundaries, button zip. They have the raw hem and then pockets in the back. I have it in the light denim wash. They're regularly $12.98 and they're now down to $6. Little tank and skirt sets, majorly marked down online. In store, they're $18. They have the thin strap. There's little faux buttons, smocking in the back. How cute is the little skirt? Is it a sport? I think it's it's a true skirt. So pull on. This is another one gonna look really cute with your boots and sweaters. This one as well. This is the other print. 2 pieces are going to be down to $8.98. So how good is that? I'm definitely, when I get home, I'm loading up my cart. Plaid skirt sets also majorly marked down online. So it is a really cute little bubble skirt. And then the crop tank, it looks like it's high rise. This is a true skirt. It's lined on the inside. Has that square neckline. It does look like it is shorter. In the blue and green, also that black and white, down to $8.36. Regularly $17.97. Also marked down is this sweater dress from Scoop. So this one has that mock neckline. It's short sleeve, fit and flares. Same fit through the back. And this white leopard, this is the color I'm getting because my daughter is, if you watch my other social media, she's going to be Cruella. Also comes in the black. And I got the little Dalmatian ear, so I feel like it goes even though it's a leopard print. But these were regularly $29. They're now marked down to $14.21. So marked down are some of the Scoop tees. So really good basics. They have a high neckline. They're really soft, stretchy. There's a bunch of different colors. The lime black. They have white. And these were regularly $8. They're now on sale for $3.95. So marked down is this belted dress from Free Assembly. Has this smaller collar, button on the wrist, the tights and midi length fit and flare, and then the same through the back. These are down to $12.18. I don't see the regular price, but they have some other colors online. The straight mock neck tops are also on sale online. So these have that high neckline, short sleeve, fitted through the body. In the green, also in the pink. It looks like they're full price in store. Down to $11, but regularly $19. Shells from Free Assembly are also marked down. So they have these scallop trimmed, pointel, really cute to layer on top of your button-down shirts. Also under the cardigan set. I think that one's also marked down. So these are down to $7.35, regularly $16. Cardigans are down to $16. They have that scoop neckline, full buttons. In store, they're not marked down. They're regularly $24. So they also have it in navy. There's that lime green color. Tanks from No Boundaries are on sale online. So these have that thin strap, the little ruche detailing, seamless. It's squared in the back. In the plum, there's black, white, regularly $6.98. They're down to $4.19. So on sale is this tank from No Boundaries. So this one has a thin strap, ruching a little bow detail, squared in the back. In the light blue and white, it's down to $8. Also comes in the black and white. These are $12 and change. So on sale online are these dresses from Time and True. So they have the plunging V, that little ruche detailing, elastic under the bust, has the drop tier, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the black, also in this orange print. There's also the blue. They're regularly $19.98. They're down to $11 and change. From Time and True are marked down, it looks like in store and then also online. So these are barrel style. They have that seam detail, same fit through the back. And they're down to, they're regularly $22.98. It looks like online they are down to $17. Raw hem denim jeans are also on sale online. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering, a little bit of distressing. Regularly $22.98. They're now down to $10.88. And Sky cardigans are also majorly marked down. So these have that ribbed front, two front pockets, ribbed wrist. In the ivory, there's pink, green, and black, down to $11, regularly $19.98. Dresses from Time and True are also on sale online. So they have the V neckline, elastic, the little ruche detailing. Also comes in this blue and black print. They're down to $11 and regularly $19.98. But really nice Diane von Furstenberg look for less. So new from Time and True are these ruffled dresses. So these have that higher neckline, the little keyhole, has the elastic on the wrist, a flowy fit through the front, also in the back with the little belt. And on sale for $12.40. Also seeing a new color in this ruffled blouse from Time and True. So this one has the tie, that ruffle on the side, bell sleeve, flowy. It is lined in the light blue. We also saw it in the brown, and they're sale for $8.99. New sweater dress from Time and True. So this one has the crew neckline, ribbed sleeve, relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom. This one looks like it's only available online. And sale for $9.92. So new textured tee from Time and True. So this has that scoop neckline, short sleeve, stretchy. I think I saw online they did have them in the long sleeve now as well. Comes in the green. There's also black. And they're on sale for $5.52. These dresses from Time and True were on sale. They have the plunging V, full button, puff sleeve, tiers. This one's online only with the belt. They have a bunch of different prints and colors, regularly $19.98. The black and white. Oh wait, maybe they did have them in the store. Yeah, they did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are on sale online. They have this black and beige print. This kimono online is from Jessica Simpson, and these are on sale. Cheaper than the leopard, but they're in the same like listing. So how pretty is this multicolor, the little tie front, and then they're regularly $29. I think they're on sale for $21. So from Scoop, there's a longer length option. So these have the corduroy collar, snap buttons, also the zip, has the flat pockets, also a side pocket with the button on the wrist, nice longer length, and then on sale for $26.60. New dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, ruching, the drop tier, nice and flowy. Has a little tie detail with the opening in the back. Comes in white, also in the rust. And they're $9.14. I have this new dress from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, button on the wrist, little drop tier, and then the seam in the back. And they're $11.13. New tee and skirt from No Boundaries. So this has the crew neckline. It's really soft. It has this star embroidered. And then the skirt has that drawstring. It's flowy through the front and the back. The tee is fitted. On sale for $8.90. The little lounge cardigans and the matching pants in the No Boundaries section. So these are super soft, stretchy, elastic waistband, flared bottom, in this really pretty pink. Also comes in the mint green. I love that color. There's ivory and black, and they're $12.98 to match. They have the cardigan, so they have that high neckline, full functioning buttons, same fit through the wrist, in the pink, mint, ivory, and black. Also $12.98. Also to match, they have the little tank and shorts from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, square neckline, pull-on shorts in all of those colors, the mint, the pink, the ivory, and black, and on sale for $10.30. So seeing a new color in the bow rhinestone slippers from Joyce Bun. So these have the round toes open with the rhinestones. We saw this light blue, now they have black. On sale for $12.98. So new these are from No Boundaries. These have that platform. Go high with the crisscross and the beige, also in the burgundy. Sale in the black for $16.98. And they brought back these little slippers. So these are genuine suede with the fur trim. Now in the beige with the leopard, also in the black with the gray. On sale for $14.98. Platform slippers from Joyce Bun. So this one has that foam bottom. The top feels like it is genuine suede. What does it say? Made from recycled polyester. On sale for $19.98. New fringe boot from Time and True. These have the round toe, chunky heel, fringe detail. They're pull on with the zipper, and on sale for as low as $20.37. Little studded Western boots from Time and True. They have the pointed toe, chunky heel, zipper on the inside, and these are $39.98. You have that zipper. It says memory foam. On sale for $19.35. New over the knee boots from Time and True. So we're seeing that the skinny jeans are coming back, and I think it's because these boots are going to be back. So they have the round toe, chunky heel, this little cutout, elastic, we're over the knee. On sale for $31.49. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.